Hello everyone! We know that sounds and backdrops are the main parts of the game. So in this video, we'll talk about how to add or create sounds and backdrops. So let's get started. What's a backdrop? Backdrop is the background of your stage. We need backdrops for our game to be beautiful. We can select the backdrop from the lower right side of the sprite menu. We can choose a backdrop or search a backdrop or paint a backdrop or surprise a backdrop or upload backdrop. Now we will choose a backdrop. For example, our basketball one. You see, we have the background of the stage. So this is awesome. We can also search here backdrops flowers, for example. Now when we push it, we have this background. Or we can paint. Here we are taking paint brush and now we can paint something. So for example, this image is appeared on the background. Sorry for my bad hand painting, but it's also a backdrop. Now we can surprise a backdrop. When we push it, you see? Surprisingly, we have another backdrop. If we choose surprise one more time, it will change. Oh, you see? We are in the moon with stars. Okay, now if you go to backdrops tab, you can see all the backdrops that we have selected. We can also delete the backdrops by pushing this trash button. So I have deleted all. So now let's focus on sounds. Sound is located near the backdrops tab in Sounds tab. So in the down left side, we can choose a sound, search a sound, record the sound, and surprise the sound or upload the sound. So now we will choose a sound. So for example, when we come to play button, it plays as a sound. So now we can push the play in the piano. You see, there is a sound. You can also choose it here. Now let's search a sound. Search. Let's choose, for example, cat. Meow. It's like real cat is meowing, making this sound. Now we can surprise the sound. When you push surprise, it brings random voice. So now we can also record sound. Hello, hello, hello. Now we'll stop it, then save, and then we can push. Hello, hello, hello. You heard my voice. So that's all for now. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.